A very good morning from Hyderabad. It is super sunny, very bright, and very hot in Hyderabad right now. So I just got an GoPro Hero 10 from Dubai. I just bought it over Dubai. So I wanted to buy a new GoPro here because currently I am vlogging on my GoPro Hero 5. This is a very old model. I think it is from 2015 or 16. Uh, but it doesn't have any hyper smooth. It doesn't have any more fancy features that this new GoPro gets. So I really wanted a GoPro for more proper filmmaking, more proper my vlogs and whatever I do, the adventure stuff, right? I really needed a good GoPro with all the features that it has right now. So I was just divided between getting a GoPro 9 and a GoPro 10 because there's not much difference between a 9 and a 10. So if anyone is thinking of buying a GoPro, I think they would be good with a 9 for sure. But I'll tell you what are the very few differences that would want you to go to an GoPro Hero 10. But there are very few differences that would really want you to go to a GoPro Hero 10. But it is still really not worth it if you're buying it in India. But having said that, I got this from Dubai and I got it for a very sweet deal. Right? So I'll tell you about how much of price difference that I got from India and Dubai. And I'll tell you if you're going to Dubai, why to get a GoPro Hero 10. If you're in India, go for a GoPro Hero 9. So first of all, I'll do the unboxing of this GoPro and then we can go ahead and talk more about it in detail. So my GoPro Hero 5 didn't come with any bag or something. So one more thing is this is a GoPro Hero 10 bundle. It is not just the GoPro Hero 10, but it is the bundle. So this costs a little bit more than what the normal GoPro Hero 10 costs. The reason being you get two extra batteries, one extra battery, and tripod as well. Right, so let's get into the unboxing. So this is a box that I got with the GoPro. You can see the GoPro branding over here, and this is very sturdy. It will keep the GoPro safe for sure. Opening this up, you have your GoPro and you have your extra batteries. As I mentioned, this is an GoPro Hero 10 bundle. You get an extra battery as well. You get an extra mount for your helmet. You get some extra accessories. And the important thing is you get this clip, right? So what this clip does is basically if you're wearing a helmet, a motocross helmet or probably a cap, very sturdy cap, you can just clip it on. Yeah, hop on your GoPro on this and just start recording. So this is a great accessory, I believe. But if you if you want to go and buy this aftermarket, I think you might get some options, but I'm not sure how sturdy that would be because this is unless you go for a brand, I don't think this would stay rigid. It would. You can trust this because it's from GoPro, correct? That's what it is. And then you have our GoPro selfie stick, right? So this generally opens up like a tripod like this, and if you can extend it even more, if you can pull it, this is how it looks. And the tripod, right? So I have this similar thing with my GoPro Hero 5 as well, but I got it from Ulanzi. So I don't think you need to buy an so I don't think you need to buy a GoPro Hero 10 bundle specifically for all this stuff because you will get all this accessories from Ulanzi as well. So my GoPro Hero 10, GoPro Hero 5 is with an Ulanzi selfie stick and an Ulanzi case and Saramonic mic and GoPro Hero and a GoPro Hero mic adapter, whatever that is, right? So this is what we get with it. So basically, if you want to go for the Hero 10, what are the reasons? A couple of reasons is basically you have Hyper Smooth 4. You in GoPro Hero 9 it is 3. Not much of a difference anyways. You can definitely go for 9. You won't find much difference. You have 5.3K at 60 frames per second. I think that is a little bit better for people who generally shoot at 60 FPS because the reason being you can zoom in a little bit till 4K at least if you're shooting it in 5K and then get a lot of more data in your video when you're recording. So that the most important thing that I think was which actually put me towards this GoPro is the 47 degrees horizontal leveling. So basically the GoPro Hero 9, 10, these have this leveling function wherein if you are even traveling on a bike or something and your GoPro kind of misaligns its mount somewhere, right? You still make sure that your video is aligned and you don't miss that shot. So I have been there in Ladakh wherein my GoPro got here and there and my shots came little turned and all. So I think this was really good. And in Hero 10 it is 47 degrees. So basically in a 47-degree level, you can move your GoPro and your video will still be aligned to the horizon. So that is really good. And having said that, GoPro Hero 9 has a 27-degree alignment. Even that is really great. So you don't have to go for the GoPro Hero 10. So there's no reason for it. So basically, the only reason if you want to go for the GoPro Hero 10 is for this horizontal leveling a little bit better, and it has a GP2 processor. They say that it is a little bit faster and better in low light. I would never recommend a GoPro for a low light for sure. But again, having said that, GoPro is good because it is very small, handy. It has a screen. It has a screen on its front that you can see yourself in. My older GoPro doesn't have that, right? So that's a big bummer. So you don't know what you're recording. Basically, we know what you're recording because it is super wide, but still it is good to have, right? And also you get a charging cable with it. So I don't want to open it because it's some normal stuff. And then you have some mounts, correct? The GoPro, the batteries, and a few stickers. That's it. So that is what comes with the bag. Okay, now coming to the price. So I got this from Dubai. So coming to the price, I got the GoPro Hero 10 in Dubai for close to 1600 dirhams. So that comes close to 35,000 rupees, Indian rupees. And in India, the same bundle costs you close to 49 to 50,000 rupees. If you're going with the GoPro Hero 10, not with the bundle, it will cost you close to 1450 dirhams in Dubai. So close to 33,000 rupees, and then it will cost you close to 46,000 rupees here in India. So basically, I saved around 15,000 rupees on the GoPro with the bundle, right? In India, I would get the same at the same price, 35,000 rupees. I would get a GoPro Hero 9, but at the same price, I got in Dubai a GoPro Hero 10 with the bundle. So that was a very big saving for me. So if you want to save a lot more money, I think you can get the GoPro Hero 9 in Dubai itself. So GoPro Hero 9 was costing me around 26,000 Indian rupees in Dubai, and that is a really great deal. But anyways, I'm getting it from Dubai and 33,000 rupees, just 7,000 more. Getting the latest version is always better because you'll have one extra year of support eventually. So I think that's the reason I went to the GoPro 10. But again, GoPro Hero 9 is a very good deal in Dubai. But if you don't have a chance of going to Dubai, or someone else is not going to Dubai, your friends are not going to Dubai, you don't have any chance of getting something from Dubai, UAE or the US, it is better you go for a GoPro Hero 9 here in India itself, because there's not much of a difference between these two. Just because I had an option, I went ahead and bought the GoPro Hero 10 from Dubai. I also bought an iPhone 13 Pro and also an AirPods, and I'll make a separate video on those two as well, and you'll be shocked on how much money I made on those two products as well. That's about the GoPro Hero 10, guys. So I will let you guys know if it is really worth to go to Dubai to buy gadgets in my iPhone video, because there I will be revealing a lot more on the do's and don'ts when you're planning to buy gadgets from outside. But having said that, the GoPro Hero 10 is amazing. Now as I've unboxed it, I'll start using it as well. I'll be posting a lot of videos from there. And that's hopefully you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts or any questions, please do comment below and I will definitely answer. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.